Alrighty, so today we have an unboxing of the Redmi Note 5 by Xiaomi. If you can't tell, it's a smartphone. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So here I have a knife. I'm gonna cut it. Oh. So I got the 4 gig of RAM by 64 gig of storage version. But yeah, my old phone kind of pooped itself, so that's why I got this new one. So here's the box. It's red. It just says Note 5, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Doesn't say Xiaomi anywhere. But yeah, as you can see, I have the, where is it? I have the global version. Don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so it has, let's run through the specs first. It's a 6-inch screen, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, Snapdragon 636, 4 gigs of RAM, and 64 gigs of storage. So let's see what's in the box. What the... Huh. Oh. So it comes with a case. That's nice. Nice TPU case. Little cutouts. Alright. And, oh, here's the phone. I didn't expect everything to be in English, actually, because it's a Chinese phone. But I guess it's global version, so they made everything in English. Wow. This is pretty nice. You can see the camera. I don't think it's gonna focus, but you can see the camera, you can see the words on it. It says Redmi Note 5, dual cameras, kind of like the iPhone X cameras actually. But yeah, there's a fingerprint sensor. You got, oh, okay. Let's slap the case on just for now. I want to see what it looks like. Oh. Huh. Nice case. Yeah, there's a sticker here, but I'm going to take it off later. Let's see what else is in the box. So you get USB 2.0. So not USB-C, but USB 2.0. This might be a deal breaker for some, but for me, all my like battery chargers, battery packs are in USB 2.0, micro USB, so I find it pretty good. And this, so here's the thing, the Redmi Note 5 Pro is capable of dash Charge 3.0 or fast charge, I don't know what it's called, but it only comes with a normal charger. So if you want to get the full dash charging, I'm gonna have to buy a new dash charger. But yeah, I guess they have to cut costs like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the price. So this was $300 Canadian, $298 Canadian to be exact, and then plus tax it's $337. So it's right in like the budget range, but I thought it was the best deal because it has basically everything in a flagship. You can see with the case on there. So I guess I'm gonna rip the sticker off, if I can rip it off. Oh, you guys can listen to the nice noise. Oh, here it is. And the front is Gorilla Glass. It's an unspecified version of Gorilla Glass, but apparently it's strong. Wow. So I don't know how big the screen is just by looking at it. I know it's 6 inches, but let's just boot it up and see if there's any battery in it. Oh, here it is. So yeah, pretty good packaging, pretty good, like everything's in the box, some paperwork here. What is this? Random stuff. Nope. So this is again, it's the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. And it's running on MIUI 9. So I'm usually a pretty big proponent of stock Android, but like in my previous devices, I've had the Nexus 4, the OnePlus X. Hold on, I'll get my OnePlus X. Right here. Oh, the camera just changed colors for whatever reason. But yeah, this is the OnePlus X. It's pretty, the screen's 5 inches, and you can immediately just see the difference between the two screens. 6 inches, 5 inches. And yeah, I've usually been I was saying I usually like stock Android, so I've been sticking to like Nexus 4, which was stock Android, and this was OnePlus X. It was Oxygen OS, which is a very light skin of stock Android, which was pretty good. And this is my first time venturing into a kind of a more in-depth skin, which kind of covers all of Android. So MIUI 9. I believe this is running Android Oreo, and we're just gonna go ahead and set it up. So yeah, that'll be the unboxing. Thanks for listening, guys. I mean, thanks for watching, guys. And maybe I'll put out a review. Peace.